When a storm hits and the power goes out, the world can change in an instant. Suddenly, the devices we rely on every day, especially our phones, lose their charge and become useless far more quickly than we expect. In these moments, the ability to communicate with loved ones or emergency services becomes not just convenient, but absolutely critical. Without reliable power, even a brief outage can leave us isolated and vulnerable, highlighting just how essential dependable communication tools are during severe weather. In times of crisis, losing access to reliable news and information can be both frustrating and dangerous, especially when cell signals vanish and traditional communication channels fail. This is where emergency radios become invaluable. Designed for resilience, these radios often feature hand cranks and solar panels, ensuring they stay powered even when electricity is out. Many models receive NOAA weather alerts, keeping you informed of severe conditions as they develop. Some emergency radios also offer phone charging capabilities, allowing you to keep essential devices running when you need them most. Discover our expertly curated list of high-performing radios, selected to meet the needs of both enthusiasts and professionals. Our newly redesigned website makes it easier than ever to explore features, compare models, and find the perfect radio for you. Experience seamless navigation and quick access to detailed reviews and recommendations. Start your journey with confidence. Choose quality, choose reliability. Tune in to excellence with us. Thank you for watching this short video. You can also visit the link in the description. And don't forget to visit and bookmark devaultprepping.com, your source for information about prepping and being prepared. Semper Paratus, always ready.